Hello, hello! It's a breezy 63 degrees out, and Pete and I are going to join the spring peepers on the Lake Am pathway. Come with us and we'll have a hike. Whoops. I don't know where their dam is, but the beavers have definitely been pretty hard at work. I always love this view of the wetland over there, and I think that one day I'll bring my camera, but it's so hard to get a view through the trees that this might just be one you have to appreciate without a lens, besides your two eyeballs, which both have lenses. Well, instead of making you read that, although you can pause and read it if you want to, apparently we're coming into where they've done some logging to remove some old aspen and diseased beech trees. So, rough trail ahead, we shall see. These hills might not look like much on this video, but I've mountain biked out here and I have a hard time finding a rhythm. So I haven't been since the fall because I'm a baby about cross-country skiing. Maybe next winter I'll have some guts and I'll get out here and have some successful snow plowing. This might display the hill a little better. Ready, Pete? Let's go! Woohoo! Woof. Here is that logging they told us about. Good grief. He's basically unfazed by all of it, but man, this would not be fun on a bike. It's not all bad news though. This is still beautiful, right, Pete? What do you think? Is this guy gonna go for a swim? Looking a little more cautious. Okay, this area is often very muddy, as evidenced by the limbs in the center lane. But I'm gonna take off here. Not bad. If you want to ride through the logging decimation, you could do it. And we are out of the logging. So it looks like if you want to avoid that, you can take the shortcut between 7 and 9. That does cut out a significant part of the trail, but also all the logging ugliness. I'm not going to make the argument that late March and April is pretty in northern Michigan, but this is definitely nicer than walking through chewed up trees. Yeah. He doesn't know what to do with this heat. He also apparently doesn't see the things playing in the water next to him. Oh, what's that? Well, we left the bog with no animals harmed, except maybe Pete's pride a little because he's a scaredy cat and had no idea what was happening. I would say that if you're looking for a little bit of a challenging hike in the area that is a little less traveled, come check it out. I didn't go by the lake today, but it's always a gorgeous addition and a little easier too. See you next time.